Now, your first alert 7-day forecast.
Hey, something new on our live view tonight. It's a view of Auburn University. Doesn't look like it's raining there, and that's a change from the last few days. It seems like we've had a constant barrage of showers every day and into the evening hours. And we still got a few out there, as you'll see, but for the most part, we've been dry today, at least around the Columbus area. Not everybody has been dry. Good evening. Bob is taking a few days off. I'm meteorologist Schmitz in, and we've got temperatures to report in the 70s. We're seeing those readings all around Georgia and Alabama, and in the local area, it's the same story. I think in most cases, it's probably not quite as cool as it was last night at this time because we weren't cooled off by the rain tonight. So we got a little warm thanks to the sunshine. Now we're slowly cooling off down into the 70s. However, it's very muggy out there, and that's what everybody's been commenting on, is how muggy it feels with these readings. And certainly with all the rain we've had around, all the Gulf moisture present, you would expect it to be just that way. We're at 77 in Columbus, and our dew point, which tells us how much moisture is in the air, is at 70. That's right there at that uncomfortable level. West breeze, though, light at 6 miles per hour currently. Looking at the satellite view, we'll watch what happens. We're in a pretty good spot. We had thunderstorms that popped up in various places. There were some to the north, there were some to the south and east, and some off to our west. And a few of those remain out there tonight, although I don't know that there's any thunder left. There's still a little bit of rain. This right around Box Springs, headed up toward Talbotton, is a little shower, and that's really about it. We've got a shower in the middle of Russell County. This is a nice little cluster of thunderstorms that a couple hours ago was really producing a lot of lightning and heavy rain back toward Macon and Bullock counties and then toward Montgomery. Now it's just kind of winding down and raining itself out, and it should not regenerate the rest of tonight. Probably won't see any more new development for tonight, and this is the way things look out there right now as far as the rain goes. We've got a tropical storm, Chantal, which developed late Sunday night and continues to churn its way over the open Atlantic. It has wind speeds at 50 miles per hour, obviously no category because it is not a hurricane, gusts to 65, and it's moving along at a good clip, 26 miles per hour. Now, the forecast has it going across the Windward Islands and out into the Caribbean Sea, strengthening to some extent, although still not becoming a hurricane. That's the latest from the forecasters at the National Hurricane Center. It crosses Hispaniola, and by the time we get to Friday and Saturday, it's up here in the Bahamas. However, a footnote to this is that the forecasters are saying it could actually just fall apart entirely by the time it gets to Hispaniola. So there's no guarantee that we'll even have a tropical storm here by Saturday. Something to watch. Right now, apparently no direct effects on our weather. It's the same old story the next couple of days. We probably get a little break on Tuesday, but then on Wednesday, I think we're going to get that moisture ramping back up again, which means more frequent showers and thunderstorms back in the picture. And then by the time we get to Wednesday evening, this up here would be a front. That's going to kind of try and squeeze in on us for the latter part of the week. And that'll probably really bump up those chances for rain again. So enjoy the sunshine while we have it. Any thunderstorms out there ending the rest of tonight, becoming partly cloudy, light winds and a low of 72 degrees in town. And then for tomorrow, partly sunny, isolated afternoon thunder showers may be back. We'll have a 90-degree high temperature if we get the sun we're expecting and a southwest breeze. And after that, we're in for another 90-degree day, I think, for Wednesday, but more scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then late in the week, more numerous. That'll keep our temperatures probably in the 80s for highs. The lows will be in the lower 70s, only a short break with that sunshine. And, you know, I'm not one to complain about the rain because I prefer that to a drought. But still, it was nice to see that sunshine out there today, especially when we had that clear tropical air, not a lot of haze or pollution, and bright blue sky, puffy clouds. That's summer in our part of the country.
I'd almost forgotten what it looked like.
Really?
Thanks, Carl.